Hello guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a video in Davinci Resolve. So to do this is pretty simple. So to freeze a frame right here, we just want to try to locate the frame that you want to freeze. So let's just say we want to freeze this part only. So you want to use your blade tool, so letter B, and then select that part and the part you want to freeze. And then we have this part. So here we want to change our clip speed, and then from here, all you have to do is freeze the frame. It's just that simple. Now it's freezed, and as you can see, it's not gonna move anywhere anytime. So it's just that simple. So there you go guys, that's just how you freeze a frame. It's just that simple. So you can do this again. So let's just say we want to do this, we want to freeze this part. So use your blade tool, letter B, select a part, and then here we just want to press right click on that clip, and then we'll just have to, let's just find that, change clip speed. From there, all you have to do is freeze your frame, and then everything will be okay. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. If this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.